I'm very grateful to the media for their responsible journalism. I'm very, very grateful to the media for their responsible journalism. All the media that leaked out the truth. That was very vital. And the people of Andhra Pradesh who chose Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the current Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Chandrababu Naidu sir, who elected into power and gave him the reins of the state. He was elected to his able governance and people under him, his able men, to serve the owners, to serve justice to a woman and her old parents who have been wrongfully and illegally harassed. So that was a very local initiative that these responsible men took up. I'm very sorry to see, very pained to see, this being used as a political weapon against them. Somebody that's just trying to serve justice to an innocent woman and her elderly parents. They are being targeted, politically using the same against them. It's very shameful. A shameful hit job was unfortunately performed by this Vidyasagar in coalition with certain high-ranking IPS officials. A very shameful hit job which should not have happened and which should never happen with anybody. The current government under Chandrababu Naidu sir, they are just trying to serve as justice. My urge, my pleading to all the political parties, issue of women and old people's safety. They are the vulnerable section of the society. Their safety should be a matter of priority for all the political parties, and it's very shameful to support somebody that has harassed an innocent woman so wrongly. It's very shameful. And certain, 60, 70-year-old men who have, I'm sorry to say, but one foot in the grave, who have never known me, their character assassinated me all over the media. I'm very sorry to say, but these are the men who want to take advantage of women, who have been rejected so badly by women that now they hate women, they've turned misogynist. And these are the men that unfortunately harm, abuse, rape, gang rape women. These are the men that do that, and I feel very sorry for their daughters, for their sisters, for their wives and their mothers. How do they end up with these men? Sakshi Media and YSR TV outlets that have been all over wrongfully character assassinating me without an iota of evidence. My advocate, Mr. Srinivas Rao has already sent a legal notice to them, and very stringent. I'm going to take with them, with my advocate, very stringent criminal and legal action against them. So, please refrain from wrongfully character assassinating an innocent woman. This particular man, Vidyasagar, in 2014, these are his criminal cases from 2014. Case number 114 by 2012, 115/2012, 17 criminal cases pending in the court since 2014. In court of Calcutta, Visakhapatnam. In 2015, this man, Kukula Venkata Vidyasagar, had cheated MS Messrs. Simplex of to the tune of almost 10 crores, and a non-bailable warrant number 255 by 2015 was pending against the Magistrate Court in Magistrate Court, Hyderabad. The complainant, Mr. Anand Bakhi, on behalf of Mr. Simplex, and this man was arrested by the Hyderabad police. According since 2014, arrested in 2017. So, 18 criminal cases are shown you till 2015. and allegations against him. Telugu film actress Kadambari Jethwani and Malav Gandhi are now a couple. Social media, question mark. So on the basis of rumors on social media, these people are going all out, harassing me, character assassinating me, that this woman knows industrialists. Okay, why are you jealous? You know, there was no criminal complaint ever against Malav Gandhi, or Malav Gandhi never filed a criminal complaint against me. This poor little 46-year-old baby that claims to be blackmailed by me, Vidya Sagar, come to Hyderabad, kiss. Let me know when you are going to Kashi, I'll inform them at Darshan. So he takes my Aadhaar card, then he poses them and puts it all over social media. And this is my last text to him: go die in the underworld where you originate from. I knew he's from the underworld. And this device auto destructs value sucking bots. These are evidence, sheer evidence. He has a collage of all my pictures from 2009 sending me in 2020. All my pictures. I don't have so many pictures of mine. So either this man is maliciously, compulsively obsessed with me or wants to murder me and my family. You have to decide. But no way is this 46-year-old maybe even 18 and more criminal cases who's missing me and asking me to come to Hyderabad. No way is he blackmailed. उसमें कोई भी फाउंडिंग एविडेंशियल बेसिस नहीं है एंड दिस इज वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग thoroughly disturbing, very shameful. I think these people have no fruitful job in their life, and you know, they are so frustrated with their lives that they are venting out their frustration through falsely indulging in harassing me online. These people that are trolling, ये लोग इतने दुखी हैं अपनी लाइफ से और they are so misogynistic, they hate women. These are the kind of people that abuse, harm, attack, and commit other offenses against women. So ये immediately muzzle होने चाहिए. और मैंने already मेरे advocate Mr. Nalla Srinivas Rao के legal notice भेजी हुई है साक्षी मीडिया और विद्या सागर और जो भी मीडिया आउटलेट्स है YSRCP के जो ये सब में इंडल्ज हो रहे हैं. और I will take very stern criminal action against all of this. Just stop all this harassment regarding this case. Like, obviously, we want freedom from all this harassment that we have already faced. Full and final, let's stop to everything, and the offending officials should be, the offending people should be made to